because there's no way. There's no fucking way.
I know a guy. He's old. He's old as shit. If I were to guess, I'd say he's 62. Like 300 pounds. No, more like 350, maybe 400, and he can play on guitar the entirety of Stairway to Heaven, which is very impressive to me.
All right, let's sing.
Excellent guitarist.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you'll never chain. Yeah, and this bird you cannot chain. And this bird you cannot chain. Lord knows I can change. And then the solo, which there's no way I could play the solo. I'm not actually.
Won't you fly high, free bird, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Oh my god. Good song.
That was glorious.